How to make your own animations in Roblox Studio. Go to Avatar and go to Rig Builder. I recommend you to choose according to me as follows. You will get a model for animation. Go to Animation Editor. When the Animation Editor window opens, you will first set animation priority as a movement in this window, and you can start making the animation you want. In this example, I created 3 animations myself. When you finish your animation, you can publish to Roblox, name it, and press save. Your animation will be in the toolbox. Go to Inventory and My Animations. Add a script to Server Script Service. Writing the script. This script will automatically override the default animation for all players who join the game. Manage all player and animation resource IDs in the game. This function is executed every time the player character loads. Ensures that the character has a humanoid, which is required for animation. Find the default animation script inside the character. Modifying the running animation, idle animation, and jumping animation. This function is triggered when the player joins. When the player character is fully loaded, connect to on character added to ensure that the character gets custom animations after loading. Connect to the player join event. Call on player added to apply a custom animation to their character. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.